Hello beautiful souls, I welcome you to my channel. If you like my videos, like my channel, please like, share, subscribe and comment and click on the bell icon so that you get notified of all my future videos. And if you have any suggestions for me, like any topics which I should make videos on, do let me know in the comment section and I will definitely make a video on that topic. I have two other tarot reading channels. One is Divinestaars Tarot, in which I do English tarot readings, and the other one is the Divine Blessing. Sorry, Divine Blessing is this one, right? Okay, the other one is Divinestaars Tarot in Hindi, in which I do tarot readings in Hindi. Okay. Also, if you need any of my services, that is healings, crystals, guidance sessions, courses, law of attraction advices, meditations, readings, Vastu or Feng Shui advice, and not many things actually, hypnosis, past life regression, therapy and all, you can contact me. Link is there in the description box below. Okay, so let's begin with today's topic. Actually, many people are struggling with tarot cards and tarot readings. Seeing clients who are really attached to such things, who want to get an idea on the topic, who want to know basically about the future and about the predictions. Still they lack this understanding of what exactly tarot is and what it captures. Okay, so first of all, tarot cards or runes or pendulum or any divination tool, okay, be it a rune stone, be it tarot cards, or be it pendulum or any means, or flowers in case of flowermancy readings. So these are just the tools to help you access your insight, your intuition, the information you download from the internet, from the divine internet, okay, from the divine internet. So all these things, all these tools work on our present energy. Okay, it is very important to know before going to any divination reading, any psychic reading, that though there is a blueprint called as destiny, but it is never carved on stone. Okay, there is never a pre-written destiny. Your future is in your hands. It's like you have received a blueprint of what is going to happen in your life, but you can alter it, you can postpone it, you can modify it based on your decisions, based on your energies, which is called as free will in normal terms. Okay, so any reading, any psychic reading or any divination tool, how it works, have you ever thought how it works? How do readers, they actually tap into your energy and they read your cards or read your future? Have you ever wondered how? We are not God, right? We are just normal humans like you with some polished psychic senses. We all have psychic senses, but it is in dormant state, and for us it is somewhat awakened. Okay, so you must have heard readers saying, psychics saying that let me tap into your energy. What is that exactly? Have you ever thought about it? Tapping into your energy is connecting to your current state of mind, connecting to your subconscious, basically connecting to your energy, your vibration, and then predicting your future or telling your past, present or future, anything based on your current energy. This is why we say, I don't know, I'm sure many other readers must also be saying this, but I say this to my every client, every person who comes to me, that though this is the reading for you, but you can always change it based on your current energy. Okay, if you change your energy, automatically the future will change, because there is nothing pre-written, right? There's nothing pre-written. We predict the future based on your current energy. So if you are going to remain in this energy, then yes, there is a high chance that this will be your future, whatever we read in the cards. But if you just change your energy, if you move out from your current vibrational state to a new vibrational state, then your future will change accordingly, right? This is the power of free will. This is the power of your energy. And this is what is the basis of law of attraction, manifestation, right? And this is why we say energies keep on changing every time and your future is in your hands. So I really feel bad when people get sad if they get any negative readings. I know for common people, for normal people, for us, it's kind of very difficult to move out of our current energy state and get into a new vibrational state. But trust me, you can make anything happen. It just requires a little bit of willpower and determination. Okay, so please, if any tarot reader, if any pendulum dowser, if any rune stones reader, if any flowermancy reader tells you anything negative about your future, please do not get demoralized or demotivated. Take it as a guidance, so that you can change your energy and work towards your goal. Okay, so all these readings must be taken as a guidance, which are there to warn you if you're going in a wrong direction, and which are there to encourage you if you're going in a right direction. Okay, so whenever there's a positive reading, please try to be in that same energy state, because obviously if it is applicable to negative things, it is equally applicable for positive things also, right? So if a reading is positive, please do not be overconfident that yes, this is set on stone, this has to happen no matter what. No. If you change your energy, even the positive things can get postponed, right? This is why I always say to the people who come to me that though there are chances of there's a high possibility of your desired future, your desired outcome. Okay, but please do not be anxious. Please do not be sad. Please do not be restless and impatient, because these are the blockages in your energy, and they might just delay the outcome, they might postpone the outcome, or simply discard the outcome. Okay, this is why you need to be very careful. And in case of negative readings, definitely there is some problem with your energy, and it is kind of a warning sign to you that please, you are going in some wrong direction. Change your direction right now if you want your desired outcome. Okay, so my advice to you all will be to take these readings as a guidance for you, not as something which is set on stone. Everything is determined by your actions, right? Okay, so now the next question which arises is, are tarot readings or any psychic readings real? Are they true? Yes, they are true. They are very, very, very true. It is said that any divination tool, be it tarot, be it pendulum, be it flowers, be it runes, or any divination tools, they never lie. Then does that mean that whatever the reader predicts you is always the right thing? Or you might also be confused that why do two readers sometimes they predict two entirely different things, right? If tarot is for real. Yeah. See, the point is, let's stick to tarot for now. And similar thing applies to other divination tools as well, okay? Each tarot has many meanings, different meanings, okay? Thousands of meanings are associated to one card. For example, I like to give you example from a tarot. Okay, so let's take example of the Lover's card, which is one of the most loved cards in the tarot. We always consider this card as a feeling of unconditional love, true love, emotions between, good emotions between two people, between a couple, right? But do you know that it also stands for a third party situation? If a person is involved in a third party situation, sometimes this card pops up, right? So it is not always positive. But now the thing is, how can a reading differ? Cards can never lie. For example, if a person is asking whether the partner loves them and this card pops up, okay? So a reader can say that yes, they love you dearly, they love you truly, because the Lover's card has popped up. The other reader can say that no, he or she is involved in a third party situation, right? So this is how reading differs. Cards never lie, and this is why we have to pick up various clarifiers till our intuition says the correct thing. And this is why it is said that anybody can learn to read the cards, but not everyone can learn how to interpret the cards, right? So this is why intuition plays a very important role here. Not all tarot readers, not all psychics have very developed intuition, and this is where the problem occurs. They use their programming, their conditioning, their intellect to read the cards, but the actual thing is cards should be read from a neutral perspective, keeping your programming, your conditioning aside, and letting your intuition, letting your mind's eye work, downloading the information through the divine internet. Okay, and this is where the reading differs. But that doesn't mean that tarot or any psychic reading is not real. It is 100% real. It is 100% true. Okay, the difference is only with the interpretation of cards with different readers. Also, sometimes now you might be asking that what are the chances of readings going wrong, and when can readings go wrong? Okay, the first one I've told you, interpretation of the cards. Second one is the conditioning, the programming, the way the reader has been brought up, their own subconscious issues, and obviously their mood during the day when they read the cards, right? Because all these things act as subconscious barriers. Okay, for example, if a reader is reading a card through let me say, if a reader is very sad or very disturbed or very angry and they are reading your card in that mood, then there are high chances that either a negative card pops up, because obviously dominant energy works, though they tap into your energy, but their energy will always be dominant, right? Or for example, if the person thinks negative, if the reader is already in a negative mindset, then they might interpret the positive cards in a negative way. It is not their fault, they are not doing it intentionally, but it is our human nature, right? When we are disturbed, we do not see positive in other things, right? We tend to find the bad in other things, right? It is not their fault, it is just a normal human nature. This is why it's very important to read the cards in a calm state of mind. Sometimes it rarely happens to me. I'm unable to tap into the energy of the client. In that case, I just postpone the reading. Even though it is a scheduled appointment, I just tell my client that, see, I'm not in that energy to read your cards right now, so let's keep it some other day, right? Because obviously postponing is better than giving a wrong reading. A person is relying on you, a person is counting on you. You cannot give the wrong information, right? From a recipient's perspective, from a recipient's point of view, see what you need to do as a recipient. First of all, you need to be very calm and very relaxed, because the same rule of anxiety applies to you as well. If the reader's anxiety can affect the reading, then it is for sure that a recipient's anxiety can affect it many folds, 1,000 folds. Okay, because the reader is tapping into your energy, into the recipient's energy, right? So we can ignore the reader's energy for some time, but a recipient's energy cannot be ignored, because we are capturing your energy and reading the cards. So if you are anxious, if you are restless, if you are impatient, then obviously it cannot give a good result, and it cannot give an accurate result, right? Because these resistances actually block the true information coming from your higher self to us, right? It is your higher self which speaks to the readers. So it will block the message from your higher self. We will be unable to connect to your higher self, because your dominant energy will be anxiety, restlessness, all the negative things, low vibrational things, right? So even then there are chances of reading going inaccurate. This is why I always advise my clients that please do not take a reading, especially a live one, when you are in an anxious or needy state of mind. Okay, even if it is a very important point for you to know, if it is very important for you to take a reading, just meditate for 5 to 10 minutes before taking a reading. Just take few deep breaths, relax, and then take a reading. Okay, but never approach a reader from a very anxious state of mind. Okay, so these are few things which you need to know. And one more thing, in pendulum reading we generally actually I got a client with this issue, so I thought to include it in this topic. so that if any of you are going through similar issues and similar confusions, it will be more clearer to you. Actually, pendulum readings, what I do is I not only give a specific yes or no answer, but I give the answer in percentage, in probabilities. Okay, because obviously we cannot say that yes, something is going to happen for sure, and I have already told you the reason, right? We can only tell the possibilities. Okay, if your energies are very, very positive, very dominant, then in pendulum it will be a complete yes. Okay, if your energies are less dominant, then the probability will differ. Okay, it will be based on your energies, your dominant energies. So if there is a probability of 70% positive and 30% negative, then yes, your dominant energy is positive, but somewhere you are also governed by 30% of negativity. Okay, so in that case, when we say that an answer to your specific question is 70% positive and 30% negative, it means that either you can continue to be in the same energy or you can improve your energy, because dominant energy always wins. Okay, so there was a client who got answers in probabilities. I told her the probabilities of the events. Few things were coming as 70% positive, few were coming 30% positive, few were coming 50% positive. One was a complete yes, one was a complete no. So it was like that. And she asked me to tell the exact thing what she needs to do, which most of people actually deal with, right? We face the issue that why doesn't the reader tell us what we need to do? But we readers are not here to tell you what you need to do. It is after all your free will. We are here to guide you. We cannot order you, right? We are here to guide you that, see, this is the situation, now you need to think. So if it was 70% positive, obviously I cannot make it 100% and I cannot order her to go and do that or go and do this, right? So I told her that, see, these are the dominant energies, 70% positive. So yeah, if you want, you can go for it. So these are few things which you need to understand here. Probability is just to let you know that what you should do, what you need to do. I cannot give you an answer, or any reader for that matter cannot order you that yes, you should do this. Because after all, your free will, your intuition is very, very important. So these are the situations which even the recipient needs to understand. And yes, this is the topic. This is about the topic. If it was 70% positive, then you can consider it as a yes, because it is somewhere you are lagging behind in your energy, and this is why it's not 100% yes. But that doesn't mean that you cannot change it, right? Although you are going to achieve what you want, because your dominant energy is positive, but you can improve even further and make the 70 to 80 or 90% or a complete yes, right? It is all within you. It is all your energy. Yeah. So it is you who needs to change their energies if you want to change the predictions. And tarot, and yes, do not get motivated, which I already told you. Do not get motivated if readings are negative. It is just a guidance that, see, like a red light, that you are going in a wrong direction. Please change your direction. Like a red flag, not red light, red flag. Okay, that doesn't mean that it is set on stone. Okay, so with this we have come to the end of today's topic. We'll meet again next week with some other topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye.